Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you the container life cycle. This is the what we had, right? So guys, look at my screen here. Now what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to check out how many images we have. Remember, the moment you run images you get a container, and before running the life cycle I need images, because you know that if the images are not there, so it will download from the hub.docker.com and then it will create a container. So first thing, which applications which I want to run inside a container. Inside a container, you have to tell me. So do you want to run Ubuntu? Yes, Ubuntu is also is a application, root file system. It's not operating system here in container. You want to run CentOS? You want to run Fedora? You want to run Jenkins? You want to run Jira? You want to run any application, SonarQube, any applications which you want to run, you need image. You need image. And this image will come from where? This image will come from the Docker Hub. That's a public registry. So can we go to the Docker Hub and check it out? So hub.docker.com. hub.docker.com. Here,
Rajesh, when we executed the info command, right? So the registry it is showing is index.docker.io.
Wonderful. That's the API. That's the API address of the hub.docker.com. This is the API address of the same website which I'm showing you right now in the background. Okay. So guys, what you want? You want to run a container with the root file system such as this one, or you want to run some application which is Jenkins. Now let me tell you, here in Jenkins image you will have a root file system, you will have a user file system, and then after that we'll be having JDK, and after that we will have a Jenkins, something like this. All these are file system, mind it. Okay, so here users can be Jenkins also. So these are the applications images you need it. So guys, can we search rather than looking and talking here? So I search and I found out very rich filter by certified image, verified image, official image, and so many categories of the images you see here. As per the architecture, as per the operating system, there's a two Linux container, Windows container. That's all. Sorry, Windows kernel, Linux kernel. That's all. Nothing else you need to know. Okay, and these are the categories by applications category. Now you see here there's an official image, number of download, number of stars. You can check it out actually. You can find out when this got updated 11 hours ago. So everything you can check it out here and find out which image you want to take it up. So you should trust the images which is official images, verified images, certified images. These are the good images. Though I'll teach you tomorrow how to create an images, but today we have to use that images. So guys, I click on it here, Jenkins image. Now I'm going to check first, do I have that images or not, manually. So all this thing I'm doing manually. So I'll write Docker images, and I see here I don't have any images right now, but I can see this column, repository, tag, image ID, created and size. All these things I can see it here, but I don't have images. So what I'm going to do, Docker pull Jenkins. Now This is Docker pull Jenkins. So how this system will come to know? You have to go to and download the Jenkins from here only. Actually, that info, if you do, that's a default registry set, remote registry, which is hub.docker.com, the URL which you were talking about just few seconds ago. So I'm pulling it. Now you see that pulling multiple file system. Yeah, these are the file system. Look at this here. These all are file systems. Unique ID, SHA value. Again, tomorrow I'll discuss in detail about this, but today we have to use it. And here it is. So guys, Docker images. I got these images. Wonderful. Now guys, Docker PS is a command to know the running container. Docker PS is a command to know the running container. Docker PS-A is a command to know all the container, including running, exited, created, and blah blah blah. All means all. Simple. So do you have any containers? No, I do not have any containers. So guys, what do we do in this case? So I'm going to follow the work life cycle, nothing else. So these are the life cycle. So can I go ahead with it? Guys, I am going to create a container. But what? You know that creating a container from the images, right? So here, Docker create Jenkins. Simple. Because this image I have it. So I created Docker PS, only running container. I created, so it's not running at all. See here, it's not running. You see the status, it got created only. So container get ID from image, container running with this command, creator time, status, name. Wonderful. Can I create one more container? Docker create Jenkins. Guys, I got the two containers. See here. How much time it takes to create a container? See, Docker PS-A. Two container. I can run 10 times. I'll get 10 containers actually. So easy to create. But I just created it. Can I start it? So Docker start. You can start the container, not image. And you see here. Look at this. It's running. This is still created. Can I create multiple? Can I start this multiple time? Yes. Can I call? Can I stop multiple container at a time? Yes, you can do that. Separate ID separated by space. You can do it very well. So these are the two containers we have with the container ID and all stuff like that. Okay. So now what do we do now? So can we stop the container? So guys, can I stop the container which is already created? So can I stop? See, nothing has happened. So guys, you cannot stop the container which has created not running. There's no error, but it should have been given error. But see here, nothing changed. But can I stop this container? See here, exited. So think about it. When the exit will come? When the container has run at least once. Again, I repeat. When you get the status with exited, when the container has run at least once. So please understand this. Can I start one more time? So Docker PS-A, Docker start and container ID. Look at this. See here. Up. It was exited. Now up. Can I start? So I started, and then what I did, by the way, started the container. After the stop, I started the container. Can I pause this container? So guys, pause this container. See here. Here it says paused. What is paused? I don't understand. What is pause? But it got paused. Okay. Can I unpause this container? Now it's running back. can I kill this container? Again exited. So one thing I noticed here, when I stop the container, it get exited. When I kill the container, it get exited too. Okay, so that's a behavior you have to understand. Can I remove this container? Can I remove both the container? And guys, see you. Now I have played with the so many commands just in 5 minutes, and so easy to work with the container. So same thing, I did it. These are the commands I run it in order to work with the life cycle of the container, which is here. But one thing I don't know, and you have to teach me. Assignment. What is different between stop versus kill? Because I noticed if I stop, the container will get exit. If I kill, container will get exit. Status will be same, but what is the difference? I want to know. You have to teach me. Now one thing also I am not clear. When I pause, what happens? When I unpause, what happens? So I want to know difference between pause and on pause. Now guys, cheating is allowed. Yes, you can do the Google. You can use one of the more powerful command, which is docker help. Let me teach you. Docker help pause like this. You can use it. Docker help unpause. You can use it. Docker help stop. You can use it. Docker help kill. You can use it. And Google, you can use it. Try it out. But ultimately, I need an answer for this. So guys, simple. I want you to decide one of the images. Recommended is Jenkins for time being till you start comfortable with the environment. Pull the Jenkins life cycle of the Jenkins container here, and then help me to find out these answers. So for the lab, I'll give you 15 minutes. You have to observe everything one by one. And then for assignments, I'll give you 10 minutes. And end of this, you have to tell me, those who has completed assignment, you just say yes in the chat box. And I will ask a question to randomly to anyone. What is the difference between stop and kill and pause versus unpause? Okay. So I'm updating the notes right now.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.